here we go. Oh, wait a minute, is it recording? Yes, okay. And what do you mean? Hi, who are you? I don't know. Let's look at my driveway. Now, watch these people driving on my street. Yeah, you need four-wheel drive thing. Look at the agua. Whee! Yeah, this is a rainforest right here. Then there's these guys that don't care. They like to surf. Whee! Yeah. Crap. Tell you what. And here's my driveway. It's all floody. You can splash around. All splashy. Then there's my dog leaving a pee mail, checking her pee mails. That's the post. Everybody who's anybody pees on that pole. Yeah, I was hoping some more cars would go by. Good dog. Oh, she's so shy. She's hiding behind the post, all modest, to leave her poop mail. Good girl. Watch, here comes a car. Let's watch this guy. Go splashing through. Yeah, he's a daring. He's ballsy. Watch him. Whee! Hey, that's me. That looks like my car. Watch this. Whee! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you gotta have a boat to go down the street here. Whee! Yeah, I love it here though. There's frogs in my yard, water in my driveway. Give them some more drivers. Watch this one here. Now see, this is a sensible driver here. That gives me the creeps to do that though. I tell you what, it's like how far off the thing how far away is my engine from the water, you know? It's game night. Dog, come here. Why are you pooping in that yard? Come on, you pooped over here already. You ain't got that much poop. Stupid dog. Look at these guys. Oh no, don't tell me that one's gonna pass that one. Oh my God. Look at these idiots. Okay, oh, we're gonna have a boat wreck. Shit sakes. All right. Yeah, see, the pickup truck's all right. He's up high. But, man, everything... Nibbit, come here! Come here! You're getting me in trouble. Come here! Come here! You're making the neighbors mad. Come here! Niblet! Damn dog. All right, come over there and beat you with a stick. Now, what are you doing that for? Getting the neighbors all pissed off. Stupid damn dog. Watch. This guy works. He don't care. Fuck it. It's a company vehicle. Yeah, you come here, you bad dog. All pooping into everybody's yard. Watch, see, they go down the center of the road and then they're like, wow, shit. Eek. Oh, splat. Yeah, you better slow down, Green. Dumbass. Shit. Oop. Fan belt. Got that wet. Appliances. Whoa. Yeah. Sheesh.